Welcome to the Contractor Cash Flow Estimating Calculator. This is a great tool to calculate how much cash you need to take on and start a project. So what you did in the beginning was you entered the contract value, which was how much you're going to get paid for this project. You entered the months to complete, how long it's going to take to complete this project on a scale from 1 month up to 12. And then you entered the material, labor, and overhead costs as a percentage of the project. That's going to give you your final profit. So if you're shooting for a 25% profit, which would be pretty high, that would be this. If you want to change these up a little bit, we can make this 25 and 15%. You'll see that your profit drops a little bit. So in this scenario, you're going to start at the top here, and you're going to see the difference between using financing, material purchase financing, and not using material purchase financing. Without material purchase financing, on a $1 million project, 45% is material, 25% is labor, and 15% is overhead. You're gonna have a profit of 15% at the end of this project, but it's gonna require $170,000 to get started on the project. Additionally, the months to break even, which is right here, this tells you when you're actually going to make your first amount of money from the project. You may be cash flow positive in a given month, but how much have you put into the project, and then how much revenue have you made? Where you finally break even is month 11 in this scenario. This box to the right shows how much cash is required with material purchase financing. As you can see, you only need $82,700, and your months to break even gets almost cut in half to 6. So instead of 11 months, you now only need 6 months to now break even and start actually making positive cash. If you scroll down here, you'll see this is a cash flow model right here that you can actually track month by month what your cash flow looks like. This toggle up at the top, are you using material purchase financing or not? If it's on no, you're gonna see this model shift to only show your cash flow without material purchase financing. If you toggle it on, yes, you'll see it's gonna show you how this model looks with material purchase financing. This project detail section allows you to change your assumptions along the way. So you can change your percentage of material, labor, overhead, as well as your months to complete. And then down at the bottom here, these are some of the assumptions to the model. The number of days to collect your invoice from starting work, we're assuming 85 days, which is about average. Without financing, material costs are due the month the work is performed. So you can see right here, if we're not using material purchase financing, you're gonna owe material in month 1, month 2, month 3. If you are using material purchase financing, you'll see that it starts out here because you're gonna finance in the beginning. The next assumption is material, labor, and overhead costs are spread out evenly over the duration of the project. That just assumes that if it's a 10-month project and we're gonna be spending $450,000 on material, for those 10 months, we're gonna be spending $45,000 each month. So you can see it goes all the way out here, and that'll be 10 months worth of material. Same thing with labor, same thing with overhead. These are spread out evenly. And lastly, the material finance charge assumes a 2% cost per month. And you can see when material purchase financing is on, there is a finance charge associated with the financing. And when it's not, you'll see that that is blank. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 512-270-4805. That's 512-270-4805. Or feel free to shoot us an email at grow@build.com. Good luck.